Alright, I'd also like to go through the course map with you, and Sangeeta is going to be working on sort of a visual bird's eye view in Prezi, where I can kind of talk students through that, but for Summer 1, we're going to just go through it this way. So you'll remember that the goal of this is to kind of give students who aren't so linear, who like to kind of be more visual oriented, to give them a way to look at the course. So it's the exact same as the course schedule, but it just lists the 3 areas of our course, so the Explore, Learn, the Connect, Collaborate, and the Experiment, Apply, and then everything underneath those categories. And you also notice the topics for week 1 are, the topic is orientation to the course, and the tool is learning management systems. And my thinking behind the tool here is that I didn't have a whole lot of time to introduce a new tool for students, but in navigating and orienting themselves to our course, they're getting exposure to learning management systems. So what a perfect place to put that as the tool. And we've kind of already gone through in the course schedule all of the requirements listed for the 3 areas. So I'm not going to go through those again, but you see here a more visual way to represent what we're doing in week 1. And then you move down to week 2, and our topic is Understanding EdTech Trends and Issues. And the tools that I'll be demonstrating here are online collaboration and communication tools. So that's going to be Google Docs, Google Tools for collaboration, and then social media tools for communication. And then we'll move down into week 3, where we'll talk about designing and developing instruction with technology. And the tools for that week will be resource and content curation tools. And I have quite a few new things to show you guys, and that's going to be a good week, because I think up until that week you've probably already seen some of the tools that I'm going to be presenting. But that may be some new ground for you. And when we move to week 4, the topic will be teaching information literacy and digital citizenship. And the tools are websites and apps, and that might be another area of new ground for you guys. Then we'll have week 5, which will kind of be the inspiration topic of spurring change as teacher leaders, and the tool for that last week will be multimedia tools. And as you can see, I already see a mistake. So down here under Experiment Apply, the week 5 reflection, that's actually been whited out on my handout that I had Sangeeta to scan in, but it's not showing on the scanned copy. So again, there are going to be things that you run across in this first iteration of the course that I need your feedback on. When you see things, don't be afraid to tell me if I've misspelled something or if it's not grammatically correct. I will certainly not get my feelings hurt. I'd rather you tell me than to have 180 people see it. So, all right, so that's the course map, and as soon as Sangeeta's done with the visual bird's eye view, I'll have that ready for you guys to review before we roll it out Summer 2.